May I now request Mr. Anuj Puri, the chairman of the third edition of CII Real Estate Confluence and the chairman of Anarok Group, to please set the theme for today's summit.
Thank you very much, Asim, and thank you very much, Ms. Kashmira Mewala. It has been, delight to hear your opening remarks. After a very long time, we've seen real estate getting into the positive mode. 2020 has been an interesting year. And every year we've had, over the last few years, the CII Confluence. The last that we had was in February 2020, when we had it in physical form. And here we are now doing it in the virtual platform, which I must admit has been very effective over the last few quarters for many of us. And what we're going to witness over this afternoon and tomorrow's second half is going to be very interesting on what's happening with the Indian real estate market. CII with Anarok decided to put together this format, and we said let's not only have the 1-year vision for Indian real estate, let's have a look at what the next 5 years of Indian real estate really holds for us. Day one, which is today, you're going to see and hear a lot of the panelists come and discuss the residential market, which is nearly 84% of the Indian real estate market, retail, hospitality. And tomorrow, which is an equally interesting second half, you're going to have the capital markets, which is the investment side, the co-working, digital technology. And to end the day tomorrow, there's going to be a brilliant session, which is going to be fathers and daughters, fathers and sons. And they're going to talk about how they view real estate from a different lens, that is Gen X and Gen Y. And there's going to be an interesting debate around that. For the inaugural session, we have Dr. Ajit Ranade. As Kashmira ma'am very nicely introduced him, I will do a little bit more formal introduction, and I will also introduce Mr. Mohit Malhotra, who should be joining shortly. Dr. Ranade is the chief economist at Aditya Birla Group. We all have heard him. I am very fascinated with his views. They come up very original. And clearly, this is going to be interesting to hear him just post the budget. He has been teaching at several universities, both in India and in the US. He's on the board of a number of companies. What is interesting is that he has served on various committees of the Reserve Bank of India and is the chairman CII West Zone Subcommittee on Economic Affairs. We're going to hear from Dr. Ranade in a short while. We will also have Mr. Mohit Malhotra, who is the managing director and the CEO of Godrej Properties. He's really the poster boy of Indian real estate. Godrej Properties is India's most trusted brand in real estate. Mohit has been with the firm for over a decade. He's got nearly 15 years of experience and has been instrumental in growing the Godrej Properties portfolio within India. The market cap of this company is in excess of $5 billion. There he is, Mohit, my friend. Thank you very much for joining. It is an interesting day with two heavyweights, one on the economy part and one on the Indian real estate. As I said, is both poster boys. Really from where I see. I am going to hold back, Asim, my theme remarks, and I'm going to request Mohit first to deep dive. I know he has paucity of time for him to deep dive and his understanding of what's happening with the Indian real estate. Suddenly, everything seems to be very bright and very positive, in these times, followed by Dr. Ranade. If I can request you to come in, and then I do want to have a little bit of a Q&A with Dr. Ranade, and then I'm going to come back on the theme address.